When you create a web page, it needs to have a name that ends in .html. That's how the browser knows that it needs to interpret your HTML markup and render readable text on the screen. However, there are some default file names for when a user visits your website and doesn't specify a file name. Let's look at some examples of that now. You can see on the screen here that we are on a website called html.casabona.org/about.html. I have specified that I want to view the about.html file. I can visit the home page of this website if I visit index.html. You'll see a new page comes up. Index.html is a default file name. And what basically happens here is when the user visits html.casabona.org and doesn't specify a file name, the server sends index.html over to it. So you could see now we don't have the file name, but the index.html page is showing up. This happens across all sorts of websites. Let's look at Google. If we go to google.com, we'll see the classic Google search bar. We'll see the same exact page if we visit google.com/index.html. As you build your website, you'll want to specify an index.html file that serves as the main or home page for your website. That way, someone will be able to type in your URL or domain name and get a page instead of an error.